Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Iswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about water management. We had already discussed about water management. In class 6 also we had studied about the rainwater harvesting, that how we can accumulate the rainwater and use it for our benefit when there is less amount of rain or less amount of water present. So in this way we can minimize the pressure on the underground water. Now today we are going to understand some more points about this water management. Okay, so here after this rainfall water management, we are going to discuss about some boweries, that is the ancient. So today we are going to discuss about the ancient boweries. So in ancient India, kings and the villagers create a system called boweries, which is not like wells, but they also store water. They also store a lot of water, and the people use them for their benefit. But with time, people forget about the use of these boweries, and they move towards the modern system of use of different things. So gradually these boweries will filled with garbage, and they lose their importance. But gradually people will understand nowadays that no, these boweries are very important. So now people will start reviving these boweries by the help of some NGOs, that is non-government organization, and by this boweries will come into action, come into work, and people use them. The next thing in agriculture processes, the way normally irrigation is done, just put the pipe into the field and water will flow. But nowadays people use a type of irrigation called drip irrigation. Means there is a web of pipes in the field, and at the root or close to the plant there is a hole in the pipe, and from that drop by drop water falls close to the plant, and plant will grow gradually. So there is no wastage of water during this type of irrigation. So nowadays people are using this type of irrigation facility. In the last lecture of water management, I had told you about a case study in the Bhojpur, that is Gujarat, Kutch area. There are very less shortage of water because rain is scarce. Scarcity of rain is there. So villagers of that area and some NGO, non-government organization, they come together and they prepare several type of check dams on the river Rukmavati, which don't have water for the whole year, as there is very scarce amount of rain is present. So on the river Rukmavati and other tributaries and the other tributaries of this river, several type of check dams will be formed on this river. So by this, now villagers of that area get enough amount of rainfall for irrigation, and the rainwater which is wasted, because it is flow with the river to the sea. But now by the help of these check dams, people are able to store this rainwater and they survive well, and there is no scarcity of water in those areas. So this is how, if we try, so we can manage water and The areas which have scarcity of rainfall, also that areas also can get a good amount of water. So class, I hope you are able to understand this water management system. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.